What's going on, guys? So for today, I am going to show you how you can set up your marketplace on Facebook. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, let's go ahead and log into Facebook. I am now logged to my Facebook account. Now, the first thing you have to do is go to Marketplace. And right here, you should see all the listings available in the marketplace. Now, the thing about this is it is going to show you all the listings that are nearby. So here, you can set up your location right about here. You can click on this one. And you can set up the radius where you can see listings. So after that, we can close this out. And if you want to create your own listing, just click on Create New Listing from here, and it is going to ask you what kind of listing you're going to make. So is it item for sale, vehicle for sale, or home for sale, or rent? So you can choose between these three. So for example, you have just an item for sale, you can choose this one. And from here on the left side panel, you can add a photo of the item you are trying to sell, and you can add the details in here. You can also boost your listing. This is going to cost you some money, and you can also hide it from other friends if you don't want some of your friends to see what you are selling. And after that, you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.